How to get clients in your sleep. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can get paid clients even without having to spend so much time on social media. Hey, I'm Karma. I help coaches, freelancers, and online service-based entrepreneurs clarify their offer, build a sustainable online marketing plan, and scale with evergreen systems and strategies. Today I'm going to share with you how you can get warm leads and turn them into paid clients without having to spend so much time on social media. What a relief, right? So here it goes. My Evergreen Ecosystem for coaches and freelancers. You'll see why it's an ecosystem. Because first, what we do is we get people to sign up to our email list. If you're a coach or a freelancer, if you have a service-based business, people first need to trust you. If you're not selling a product, it is a bit more different to get your leads to warm up to you. So our strategy is going to be getting an irresistible lead magnet for them. And yes, it's a lead magnet because I don't like to call it a freebie. The reason why I don't like to call it a freebie is it may attract the wrong type of audience. We are not trying to give them something free just to get them to our email list. We are actually trying to give them some value that will help them and that will be useful for them so that they can see how much more value we could have given them with our paid program or our paid service. This is the reason why I like to call it lead magnet, because it is an irresistible small free offer that makes your target audience's life a little bit easier. So that's why you need to put some thought into your lead magnet while you're creating it too. You're not going to create an ebook just to give them something free. That's why you need to work on your lead magnet so that they want to use this and they want to sign up to your email list. And then once they sign up to your email list, you're going to start nurturing them. A lot of the coaches and freelancers, once they get people's email, they just don't even nurture them. Did you know that 90% of the sales are done through follow-ups? This is a huge amount. So that's why you need to nurture your audience and you need to follow up with them. When you nurture, you're going to give more value. When you nurture, you're going to build trust and build relationships with your audience. When your audience starts trusting you, and as they see more and more that you're giving them value, they will want to work with you. They will want to be your paid client. So by creating a lead magnet, you're attracting the right type of audience who already is interested in your offer. By nurturing them through email, as we turn them to warm leads, we're going to start booking strategy calls. And once we start booking strategy calls, we will turn those strategy calls to paid clients. This process works so much better than looking for paid clients directly on social media through DMs or anything, because that gives them the idea of sales. Once they see how much value you can give them, you don't have to sell them anything for them to pay for your services. If you want to start using this strategy and you don't know where to start from, start by creating your opt-in page. If you already have one, give it a little bit of makeover. Make sure that your target audience will understand the benefit just in seconds. And if you're getting traffic to your opt-in page and not that many email signups, that means that you need to really pay attention to your opt-in page and how it's written. because it needs to be very specific and clear for people to sign up. You may get some traffic, and not everybody is gonna sign up. If your conversion rate of people coming to your opt-in page and signing up is very low, you can only increase this by writing a high converting opt-in page copy. So go back and check if your opt-in page copy is clear and specific. And you can also use my Evergreen opt-in page copy kit. It's free. You can download it with the link below. So once you do this, once you make sure that you wrote the clear and specific high converting opt-in page copy, then all you gotta do is to bring your target audience to your opt-in page. And once they sign up to the email list, here you go. You can start nurturing them, and then they will already want to book you. Try this strategy and let me know how it works. Or if you're already using this strategy, let me know what is the best part that works for you. And I'll see you on the next one.